Pella and Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our day number 21 of our kit, and I'm going to show you what is in here. Pell, would you like to open that for me?
By the way,
no.
Sunshine's here.
Yeah.
I'm sleepy. That's Sunshine.
Sunshine said she's sleepy. Hey Sunshine, come up here. Come up here. Look, there's Sunshine. What have you got, Pearly? I love you. It's a die. This is our crossword die. I think this is probably one of my most favourite dies that we've made all year. I just love it. Hang on one second. Who said work with animals? Never work with animals and children. Sunshine just sits right in front of the camera. There's the die. Sunshine, sweetie, come over here. Good girl. You're beautiful. Come here. Come, Cuddles.
Is she sitting the wrong way?
All right, let's try again. Here's the die. It's our crossword die. I hope you guys enjoy this die. It is a fabulous die. I love it. It's great to bring some masculinity to this really feminine collection, or use it with your male collections. It's great. You'll use this all year. I just love it. We are getting closer. We'll be back tomorrow with day number 22. Thanks, guys. Bye.